and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use hashtags in order to maximize your brand's visibility on Instagram. And it's a lot easier than you think. The first thing that you need to consider is that you need to go look for the hashtags which are most relevant to your brand. So let's just say that if we look for hashtag digital marketing here, something is going to show up that's related to us, and that's something that we can use. So we're going to click on this. And you can see we're already following this, and what's it going to do is it's going to show you all of the posts and all of the content creators who are incorporating these hashtags into their own content. So you can observe, and also you will become a part of this community if you use this hashtag in your own post as well. So this is a win-win situation, and you can use this strategy in order to optimize your visibility or brand's presence on social media, and specifically Instagram. Another thing that you can do is you can observe the top accounts of your niche, and you can go look at their posts and what kind of hashtags they're creating. To give you an example of specifying the hashtags, we're going to go look at this post of ours, and we're going to see what kind of hashtags we're using. So you can see we are using SEO, search engine optimization, benefits trust, digital marketing, digital aesthetic, and social media marketing. Now all of these are relevant to this, and you need to use at least more than 15 basic hashtags which are relevant to your post or relevant to your niche. And then you need to use almost or at least 8 more hashtags which are extremely specific, and they are super relevant to your brand or the post that you're creating. So in case of SEO, we are putting out hashtags like search engine optimization, SEO, and if you compare and look at this post for WordPress facts, we can see that the hashtags for this post are something like this: hashtag WordPress, hashtag web development, hashtag WordPress blogger. And this is how you do it. You need to specify, and you need to carefully choose hashtags for your posts every time you post something by analyzing the kind of content that you're producing, and then looking up the hashtag that you can use in order to make it more relevant to the targeted audience that it is meant for. And this is how you do it. So another third strategy that you can implement in order to maximize your visibility on Instagram is that you can target the day, the holidays, or basically any special event that you're posting the content on. And let's just say that if you had posted this post on Friday, we could have put a hashtag like TGIF here, thank God it's Friday. So it will become relevant, but it will also reach the audiences who follow that hashtag. So that's another strategy. Now, if there was New Year has recently passed, so if we were posting something on New Year, we could have included a hashtag of Happy New Year. So if anyone who's following that hashtag will also see your post. And these are some of the most basic and useful strategies you can use in order to maximize your brand's visibility on Instagram and to distribute your content to the most specific targeted audience.